NVTS stock analysis. This is for Friday. I'm breaking down my exact play, 11th of July. I'm the only guy in the space that's done this over 42,000 videos, over 43,000 videos over 5 years. So I have personally seen what's printing me money and what's not. With Navitas especially, looking to still take it further up. Like, I made a video when it was at $5, and here's the proof. I took it to 7.5. That's a 50% increase in price. It was made a month ago, 2nd of June. And it was like such a great,
down on that.
Yeah, you can see it was like literally called out right here.
I'm definitely doubling.
So beautiful.
Right, if that's
$5. Not only did we deliver above 7, we reached like a 916. And the only right thing for my eyes to do is buy only if there is a shift, only if there is a second double break. And if that does not quite happen, then bro, there's no way I'm going to continue to buy, like, straight up. So that's how NVTS is looking like. I have like 33 results in the Discord server, and I'll definitely continue to keep you updated. Let me know what is your opinion, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.